The City of Frisco collects all kinds of recyclables to help keep Frisco green.
The City of Frisco has been recycling curbside and with a drop-off center for over 20 years now.
Frisco's Environmental Collection Center near First and Walnut Streets is the place to go to recycle.
We have our household recycling like you have in your blue bins. We take plastic bags here. We take styrofoam here.
It's a good option for people who've filled up their blue bins or live in an apartment complex.
The concept behind the recycling center is to not only offer the opportunity to recycle the things you could put in your blue bin, but then we wanted to expand that. So one of the first things we added were plastic bags.
Empty, clean plastic bags, along with shrink wrap and bubble wrap, are turned into composite decking.
We can assure that every plastic bag brought to us is being recycled. We have a program with a manufacturer that turns those plastic bags into plastic lumber.
Styrofoam is collected and compressed on site, then sold to companies that recycle it into other styrofoam products.
We were the first city in Texas to have that program. We're very proud of it.
Household batteries are also recycled, as well as cooking oil and motor oil. There's also the special item collection, which is to recycle household chemicals and electronics. You will need a City of Frisco water bill to take advantage. It's available weekdays during certain hours and from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturdays. And when it comes to filling that blue bin,
you have your cardboard and paper, you have your plastic bottles and jugs, your glass bottles, and then your aluminum and tin cans. Those are the main items that go into the blue bin at home.
Yard waste is recycled, but please do not put it in your blue bin.
You can set it out in paper yard bags or bundle it into bundles, and it will be picked up every week at the curbside.
For a complete list of what can go in your blue bin and what you can recycle at the Environmental Collection Center, plus hours of service, go to friscotexas.gov/recycle.
We do consider ourselves a leader in this industry. We definitely try to stay on the cutting edge of anything possible to keep it out of our landfill.